Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Gopuff Driver mobile app works and what it's like to use it for making deliveries. Specifically built for drivers partnering with Gopuff, the app helps you manage orders, track deliveries, navigate routes, and earn income that is all from your phone. The Gopuff Driver app allows you to view scheduled shifts, accept or decline delivery offers, and navigate directly to customer locations. Once at the Gopuff Micro Fulfillment Center, you pick up pre-packed orders, scan them through the app, and deliver them using the built-in GPS and customer contact features. The app updates your progress and tracks completed deliveries, and drivers can view earnings and performance stats within the dashboard. Pros of the Gopuff Driver app include its streamlined workflow. Since deliveries start from local Gopuff warehouses, there's no need to shop in stores. The app provides a consistent experience with relatively quick delivery routes, allowing some drivers to complete multiple orders in a short time. It's also less overwhelming compared to other gig apps, with a simpler order process and fewer variables. However, there are some cons. Drivers often report inconsistent earnings depending on location, and limited shift availability during slower times. Some users have experienced technical bugs like crashes, inaccurate maps, or delays in updating order status. There are also complaints about lack of real-time support from Gopuff during active deliveries. Real user feedback shows that many drivers like the flexibility and ease of use, especially those in cities where demand is high. Others mention frustrations with app glitches and communication delays with the support team. The overall experience can vary widely based on your area and the volume of customer orders. In conclusion, the Gopuff Driver mobile app offers a simplified gig work experience centered around warehouse-based delivery. If you're looking for a lower-effort, potentially fast-paced delivery app and live near an active Gopuff location, this app might be worth trying. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.